Want to verify your bank account on the Koinpark app? Start by going to your profile. Then, tap on the Unverified button next to the Bank Account and UPI section. Now, click on Add New Bank Account to begin. Carefully fill in all the required details, step by step. Next, select your account type, savings or current. Once done, upload a clear image of your Bank Passbook, as instructed. After double-checking everything, hit the Submit button. You'll see a confirmation message saying, Account details submitted, approval pending, and once Koinpark verifies your bank details, the section will be labeled as Verified. That's it! Your bank account is now verified and ready to go.